taking the squeak out of your doors. Stay tuned. And welcome back to the Northridge 4x4 Do-It-Yourself Garage. And today we're talking door hinge liners. If your Jeep has a lot of miles on it, maybe your doors are starting to sound a little bit like this. And that's for a dry, crusty, worn out door liner. And the things you'll notice is that your doors are squeaking. Your doors are tough to open and close, and they are tough to get off. Well, luckily there's an easy fix, and that's the door hinge liners by Kentrol. They're made from a durable, self-lubricating Delrin plastic, and they slide right in. Now they make them for the CJ, YJ, TJ, JK, JL, and JT, so we got you covered no matter what Jeep you have. And best of all, did I say they're easy to install? So first thing we need to do is get the doors off your Jeep. So there you have it. No more squeaky door hinges. And if you are having misalignment problems of your door because of worn out liners, that's now a thing of the past. Those doors will shut nice and smooth. And then pulling your doors off and putting your doors back on will be a lot easier also. So if your Jeep is in need of a set of replacement hinge liners from Kentrol, check the description box down below to where you'll find links for those liners for the CJ, YJ, TJ, JK, JL, and JT. Thanks for watching our video today. We'll see you again soon.